One of the reasons for that is that it cuts out the banks. So no red tape, it's fast, it's streamlined, and it's safe and it's secure. Hi there, Michael here from Liberty Property Strategies. At Liberty, we love property. We love the capital growth it gives, the fantastic rental returns, as well as the tax benefits that come from new prime residential property. We also know, however, that it takes time for that investment to mature. You need at least a bare minimum of 7 years for a property to reach its full potential, and preferably 10. However, what happens if you need some money now and you have some spare cash that you'd like to invest? Well, we think we've come up with a great solution. So listen on. At Liberty, we have worked for many years with some of Australia's most successful and reputable property developers. These companies work to create better communities with better facilities for people. However, they need funds to be able to do this. And so they're willing to pay individuals and self-managed super funds higher rates in order to facilitate that particular investment or that particular project. It's called peer-to-peer lending, and it's a space that Liberty has been involved with for many years now. And over that time, it has become more and more popular with both investors as well as borrowers right around the world. One of the reasons for that is that it cuts out the banks. So no red tape, it's fast, it's streamlined, and it's safe and it's secure. So in terms of the return that you can hope to get in a peer-to-peer lending situation with some of these developers, it really is light years ahead of what you can get from, say, a bank at the moment, where it's lucky to be 2 to 3%. We're talking about backing a prime project and being paid up to 12%. I know, incredible, isn't it? What's more incredible is that that can be paid to you monthly. So think of what a difference that could make in your household, either for the here and now or for the future. If you had $50,000 spare, then that could be an extra $500 straight away into your household or into your super fund. If you had $100,000 spare, then that's $1,000 a month extra. That's really getting your money to work harder for you and putting you into the financial fast lane. Now, it's also a very secure investment as well. The security is second mortgage security. So I'll explain what that means in more detail if you decide to respond to this particular video. But needless to say, mainstream lenders do the first mortgage, and then they rely on savvy investors like us to support them with the second mortgage security. The other thing that I wanted to tell you is that you don't need massive amounts of money to be able to participate in this high performing market. All you need to get started is a spare $50,000, and the minimum term is 6 months. Now, I know you're going to have lots and lots of questions about this. So what I'd recommend is that you go to our website, libertypropertystrategies.com.au, and book a discovery call where over 10 minutes, we could have a quick chat about where you're up to and whether this might be suitable for you, as well as answer all of your questions. Now, just remember, this is general information. This is not meant to be personal advice because we don't know what your individual circumstances are. So this particular investment could make the difference for you in terms of making your money work harder for you by just going and investing a little smarter and putting you into the financial fast lane. So that's libertypropertystrategies.com.au. We look forward to speaking to you soon.